to show you how I got this super simple Jaguar look. So if you want to learn how to get this look, keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm going to start by priming my entire face. While my primer's drying, I'm going to go into Addiction Shadow Palette number 2, using the color Khaki to fill in my brows. Now I'm going to take the Touch Mineral Liquid to Powder Foundation. I'm using the color Satin and Velour, and I'm just going to mix those together and put it all over my face. Now I'm taking concealer and I'm going to put that under my eyes and on my eyelids as a base. So now I'm going to set it in place with my pressed powder foundation, just so it doesn't crease or move. Bronzer in the color Hermosa, putting that on my cheeks and around the perimeter of my face. And I really want to put this on heavy. Taking an eyeshadow brush and contouring my nose with this. So I'm just taking this fluffy brush and I'm gonna really bring that nose contour into kind of like underneath my brow and then dragging it down the side of my nose. So now I'm going to take blush in the color Seductive and put that on my cheeks. And setting that all in place with my pressed powder foundation. So next I'm going to take the color Chipper from Shadow Palette 1 and work that into my crease and slightly above. So what we want to do is work it into that nose contour right here, and then when we get towards the end of the brow, kind of flick it up and out because we want to create that cat eye. Next, taking the color Forthright, it's just a dark hot chocolate brown, it's matte. We're going to also work that into the crease just to deepen things up. Next, I'm just going to take a little bit more Chipper and I'm just going to kind of blend it out a little bit. Taking the color Victorious, this is a cream shadow, it's matte. I'm going to put that on my lid. And I'm also going to wing that out a little bit. Next, I'm going to take an angled brush from Unique and dipping it into a matte black shadow. I'm going to slightly draw above my crease. And wing it out like that, and then taking the other side of the brush, just very gently blending it out at the top. Next, I'm taking the pigment in Gorgeous. It's a really pretty golden shimmery color. I'm going to take that and I'm just going to pack it on all of the areas of my eye that I put that Victorious cream shadow. So what I did was I dampened my brush with some rose water and now I'm just going to pack it all over that lid. Next, I'm going to just take some Scotch tape and put that along my lash line so we can create a really nice wing. Taking that same black shadow that we used before, we're going to create our wing. Taking a black liner, I'm just going to fill in my waterline. Taking that black shadow, I'm going to run that along my lash line and kind of smoke things out a little bit. Next, I'm just going to kind of make like a little line right here. So next I'm going to do my nose. I'm just taking this kohl pencil and I'm going to draw it on. Going back into that black matte shadow, I'm just gonna set the nose. Taking the liner side of my liner shader brush, I'm just gonna work some of that pencil into my brush and draw a straight line right down here. So now taking that black pencil, I'm gonna fill in my top lip. And now I'm just going to take this pencil and draw a couple little whisker dots. And then to draw your little Jaguar dots, you want to do little C's, little half circles, and I'm just going to do a couple of them over here. So do like a C, then a dot, then you can do like a full circle. So I just dampened my liner shader brush on the liner side. I'm going to go into that matte black shadow and draw a couple whiskers. Now I'm going to take a lip liner. It's just a nude lip liner. The color is Prudent. And put that on my bottom lip. So I just wet my brush again and put it in the color Gorgeous, that pigment, and we're going to put that right on our bottom lip. Taking that Gorgeous pigment, just putting it under my brow for a highlight. So now I'm just going to put on some lashes. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!